baby. He is so cute. Okay, thank you. No, like for real. He's gotta be the cutest baby I ever did see. Okay, thank you, but I can shh a little bit. He's sleeping. Quiet, please. Thank you. Would you look at his little fat feet? I just want to squeeze him. Do not touch him. Okay, Mama Bear. I'll look, but I won't touch. Man, I swear to God, if you wake my baby up. Oh my, look, he is awake. He wants to play. Son of a bitch. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh my God, Lord. Help me find the strength now to punch this woman in the face. What? Ma'am, do you see what you did? What did I do? You know what? No. You have to take care of him. Look, I don't even know you. I don't care right now, okay? You did this, all right? Now you've got to take care of it. I don't know anything about babies. You got a cell phone? Yeah. Does it have YouTube? Duh. Well, there you go. I guess you better look up how-to videos. Get started right now. Come on.
What's going on?
She woke up the baby.
What are you, a monster? You gotta take care of him now.
That's what I said. I don't even know you people.
It's called consequences.
That's right. You wake, you take. What do I do? Bye. We'll be back in 3 hours, okay? Stay right here. Good luck. Good baby. Oh my God, I think you just pooped.